Hello everyone, I am Phoni Sharma and welcome back. In this video, I am going to tell you a conversation by using present continuous tense. With the help of this conversation, we will improve our speaking skill and also we will practice present continuous tense. But before starting the conversation, let's first discuss the formation of a sentence in present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense, अब हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं स्ट्रक्चर का। तो स्ट्रक्चर है सब्जेक्ट प्लस एमिजार प्लस वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। सब्जेक्ट यानी ही सी इट नेम, उसके बाद आई वी दे etc। उसके बाद बी वर्ब यानी एम इज आर। फिर वर्ब मीन्स इट गो प्ले etc के साथ आईएनजी का यूज़ करते हैं। उसके बाद लास्ट में ऑब्जेक्ट यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट प्लस एमिजार प्लस वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। नेगेटिव सब्जेक्ट प्लस एमिजार प्लस नॉट वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। एंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस एमिजार प्लस सब्जेक्ट वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, एम आई प्लेइंग क्रिकेट। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को। अगर आप अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि हमारे आने वाले वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello,
हेलो,
can you hear me?
आई कैन हियर यू राजीव। हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm doing well. I can hear some weeping sound. Is anybody crying?
या माय नीस इज क्राइंग।
Why is she crying?
Oh, it's nothing. Her mother is trying to feed her, but she is not eating. And what are you doing now?
I'm relaxing a bit, watching TV.
And what are you watching?
I'm watching news.
Oh, did I disturb you then?
No, not at all. In fact, I'm feeling very happy that you called me.
Oh, that's nice. Wait a second. Let me go outside. There is too much noises inside.
Hey, do you remember Mithun?
Of course, I remember him. We are such a good friend at school.
What do you think he is doing right now?
I'm sure he is working because he usually works in this time every day.
Wait, someone is knocking at the door.
Who is it?
It is my maid.
Oh, tell me about your mother. What is she doing?
She is cooking in the kitchen. She is chopping up some vegetables because she is making vegetable soup.
Wow. And what about your brother?
He is working on his car. He is checking all the parts of the car.
I see. It is so beautiful here. You know, all birds are chirping.
Wow. And what is your younger brother doing?
He is playing with his friends.
What are they playing? Are they playing cricket?
No, they are not playing cricket. They are playing football.
Oh, how is the weather there?
Well, the clouds are rumbling. I think it is going to rain today.
Wow, such a beautiful weather.
Well, I have to go because my mother is calling me.
Okay, no problem. Have a good day.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Okay, bye.
So this was a conversation with the present continuous tense. I hope you like this one, and if you have any suggestions related to any other topics, then please don't forget to write it down in the comment box below. If you like this video, so click on the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.